Did you hear the news?
Planet 124 light years away could be home to life.
Scientists detected gases in the atmosphere that on Earth only come from living organisms.
We are not alone in the universe.
Scientists may have just stumbled upon evidence of alien life. Yes, you heard that right. And it's not from science fiction. It's from the real-life power of the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. This cutting-edge telescope has been blowing minds since its launch. But now, it might have made its most groundbreaking discovery yet, on a strange and distant world known as K2-18b. But what exactly did JWST find? Is this the moment we've all been waiting for? Could we really be on the verge of discovering life beyond Earth? Buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into one of the most thrilling developments in space exploration. First, let's talk about the mysterious planet at the center of it all, K2-18b. K2-18b isn't your average space rock. It's located about 124 light-years away in the constellation Leo. That might sound far, but in cosmic terms, that's practically our next-door neighbor. It orbits a red dwarf star, much cooler and dimmer than our sun. But here's the kicker. K2-18b lies in the habitable zone, that sweet spot around a star where temperatures might be just right for liquid water to exist. And if there's one thing we've learned from studying life on Earth, it's this. Where there's water, there could be life. K2-18b is what scientists call a Hycean planet, a world that may have a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and vast oceans beneath. It's larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune, giving it a size and structure that could support very different forms of life. But the real headline here, the thing that's shaking up the scientific community, is what JWST discovered in its atmosphere, Sulfide or DMS. Now here's why that's a huge deal. On Earth, DMS is almost exclusively produced by life, specifically by microscopic marine organisms like phytoplankton. It's not something that normally appears without biology being involved. So when scientists saw signs of this gas on a distant planet, you can imagine the excitement. Is this the first real sign of alien life? Could we be witnessing a cosmic breadcrumb trail that leads us straight to an extraterrestrial ocean teeming with unknown organisms? Now let's pause for a second, because it's important to be clear. Just detecting DMS doesn't prove there's life on K2-18b. There are other potential explanations. Some geological processes could, in theory, produce DMS as well. But, and this is a big but, on Earth the only known source of this gas is life. That's why this discovery is causing such a stir. It's not proof, but it's the strongest hint we've seen so far. And it raises a question that has haunted humanity for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? Let's zoom in on how this discovery was made. As K2-18b passes in front of its star, JWST captures the light from that star as it filters through the planet's atmosphere. Different molecules in the atmosphere absorb light in specific patterns, leaving unique fingerprints that scientists can analyze. JWST's advanced spectrometer picked up those telltale signs, and among the various gases like methane and carbon dioxide, it saw hints of dimethyl sulfide. It's like looking at the shadow of an invisible force and realizing something very unusual is casting it. And this is just the beginning. The implications of finding possible life beyond Earth are almost impossible to overstate. If DMS really does indicate life on K2-18b, then it means life can exist on worlds completely different from our own. It means the building blocks of biology might not be rare at all, they could be everywhere. And it means that our lonely little planet might not be so lonely after all. But even if further studies show that DMS on K2-18b isn't from life, the fact that we detected it at all is still a game changer. It proves that our instruments are powerful enough to read the chemical language of alien atmospheres. That's a technological leap forward, and it paves the way for even more discoveries. We're entering a new era, one where we don't just wonder if life is out there. We go out and look for it. So what happens next? Scientists are already planning follow-up observations. The James Webb Space Telescope will continue to monitor K2-18b, looking for more signs, more clues about what's really going on in its atmosphere. They'll be searching for consistency, for changes, for patterns. Maybe even for other biomarkers, gases like oxygen, ozone, or nitrogen compounds. The more we observe, the closer we get to the truth. But this discovery does something even more powerful. It inspires us. It makes us look up from our screens, our routines, our daily lives, and gaze at the stars with wonder. It reminds us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and alive with possibilities we haven't even imagined. Whether or not K2-18b is harboring alien organisms, this moment is a reminder of why we explore. It's not just about science. It's about our place in the cosmos. It's about asking the question that echoes across galaxies. Are we alone? If this kind of cosmic mystery gets your heart racing, hit that like button because we're only just getting started. And I want to know what you think. Do you believe the signs on K2-18b point to alien life? Or do you think it's just a chemical coincidence? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk about it, because this is the conversation of our generation. The James Webb Space Telescope has only been active for a short time, but already it's changed how we see the universe. The discovery of possible DMS on K2-18b isn't the end of the story. It's the first chapter in what could become the greatest discovery in human history. So stay curious, stay inspired, and most of all, keep looking up. Because one day we might look into the night sky and realize we're not alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.